Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the natural world and celebrate the incredible stories of conservation and wildlife recovery. I'm your host David, and I'm delighted to share with you a truly astonishing tale of transformation from England's premier rewilding project. Deep in the West Sussex countryside, just 41 miles outside of London, lies the Knepp Estate, a 3,500-acre haven that was once a barren, fallow farmland. But in 2000, owners Charlie Burrell and his wife Isabella Tree took a radical decision to take their hands off the wheel and let nature reclaim the land. The results are nothing short of breathtaking. A recent survey has revealed an astonishing 916% increase in breeding birds on the estate, with 559 individuals from 51 species calling Knepp home. This is a staggering rise from just 55 individuals of 22 species back in 2007. Among these species are some of Britain's most threatened birds, including the nightingale, turtle doves, and peregrine falcons. But it's not just the birds that have benefited from this rewilding project. The estate is now home to nearly all of England's megafauna, as well as the rarest mammal in Europe, the barbastelle bat. And with the restoration of the River Adur to its natural state, the surrounding wetlands are teeming with life, including wading birds, amphibians, water insects, and even sea trout. The Knepp Estate has become a beacon of hope for conservationists and wildlife enthusiasts alike, demonstrating that even small pockets of land can have an outsized impact on the overall conservation landscape. And it's not just about the wildlife. The project has also brought economic benefits to the estate, with visitors flocking to experience the natural beauty of this rewilded haven. As we take a moment to appreciate the incredible progress made at Knepp, let's remember that every small step towards rewilding and conservation can have a profound impact on the health of our planet. And as we continue to explore the wonders of the natural world on Nature Walk, we'll be inspired by stories like this one to take action and make a difference. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. We're taking a journey through the fascinating world of wildlife conservation, and today we're focusing on some of the most ancient creatures on our planet, turtles. These incredible animals have been on Earth for over 230 million years, but sadly, many species are now facing extinction due to human activities. In South Carolina, USA, there's a dedicated team working tirelessly to protect and conserve these amazing creatures at the Turtle Survival Center. The center is home to numerous species of turtles and tortoises, including some that are critically endangered. One such species is the Rhode Island snake-necked turtle, which is found only in a small region of Indonesia. The center has successfully bred this species in captivity, giving hope for its survival. The Turtle Survival Center also hosts an annual course called Turtle School, where experts and enthusiasts gather to learn about the latest techniques in turtle care and conservation. The course covers everything from tank filtration engineering to disease prevention and treatment. Students from all over the world attend the course, sharing their knowledge and experiences to improve the welfare of turtles in captivity. One student who attended the course said it was an amazing experience that gave her new ideas for improving turtle conditions at her zoo. She's now using the knowledge she gained to modify enclosures and diets, hoping to increase reproductive output for the breeding program. The course also builds a community of like-minded people, creating a network of turtle nerds who can support each other in their conservation efforts. As we continue to face the challenges of climate change, habitat destruction, and wildlife trafficking, it's heartening to know that there are dedicated individuals and organizations working to protect these incredible creatures. The story of turtles and tortoises is a reminder that even small actions can make a big difference in the fight against extinction. Welcome back to Nature Walk. Today, we've been exploring the fascinating world of genetics and epigenetics. As we conclude our journey, let's dive into a remarkable story about a genetic element that has evolved from a virulence factor to an epigenetic parasite, driving genome expansion in free-living eukaryotes. Researchers have discovered that AACRNL, a previously known virulence factor, has taken on a new role in the evolution of certain organisms. This genetic element has been found to manipulate the epigenetic landscape of its host, leading to an increase in genome size and complexity. But how does it do this? It turns out that AACRNL produces microRNAs that target specific genes involved in epigenetic regulation. By suppressing these genes, WC AACRNL creates an environment that favors the expansion of the genome, allowing the organism to adapt to changing environments and evolve new traits. But here's the fascinating part. AACRNL has become a kind of epigenetic parasite that can spread from one species to another, driving genome evolution in its wake. This raises questions about the origins of genomic complexity and the role of epigenetic factors in shaping the evolution of life on Earth. As we consider the implications of this discovery, we're reminded that the natural world is full of surprises and complexities waiting to be uncovered. The story of AACRNL is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of genetics and epigenetics, and the intricate relationships between organisms and their environments. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.